These are some of the examples of the amount of work that we will go to make sure that your project is done beautifully. This example is obviously a very extreme version of some of the work we get here at the shop. So you see there's an inconsistency in the level of this wood plane and this other wood here. The amount of gaps that are in between here. The inconsistency here, we had to bond to that level. This is big holes, bunch of nail holes through that, which that's understand it, it's normal. It's all glued, paneled, basically shaker style. If you see this edge, there's blade marks all through the so when they cut this section here, the guy did not do any effort to preparing the edge here. Okay, some finished carpenters would do a standard prep work to their pieces to have these edges a lot cleaner, because they know once it's glued, for me to sand this takes a lot more effort than him having it in a stack of 20, 30 or whatever and sand the sides. One, they're all dimensionally the same, and two, you have a cleaner edge there. So